Did you find the files? They're in the computer.
Inside the computer?
Yeah, they're definitely in there. I just don't know how he labeled them.
Inside the computer. Inside the computer.
Hey guys, I'm Andrew, and this is Desert Derpers, and today is Tuesday. What's Tuesday? Well, if you've been following the channel, Tuesday is Tannerite Tuesday, and that's when we take something and blow it up with Tannerite. Today we're going to be blowing up this wonderful Dell machine. So, all of you people who work in offices and hate your computer, today is your day. We're not going to be using a half pound like we did before. We're going to be using a pound. 1 pound of Tannerite in this little baby computer. So let's get this Tannerite mixed up, let's get the computer down range, and let's blow it up. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video, and that means we are going to be shooting the computer. The computer's downrange. We're going to get all the cameras set up. So, Tannerite Tuesday.
Kaboom!
Ready?
Yep.
Holy shit.
Holy shit! That was absolutely unexpected.
Stop it. Let's listen. So once again guys, that was massive. That was a pound. It was double what we used last time on that microwave. If you watched the first video, the microwave. So here we go. Here's our tent. Here's where we take the shot from. All right, and that is about, our impact was about 70 yards down that way. We're about 70 yards away. All right, so down here on the ground, we have some shrapnel about 20 yards away from our little tent, and we're gonna do the walk down. Yeah, picking up trash.
Yeah.
We're gonna do the walk down to the explosion site. There's nothing left there, by the way. There's just nothing. Oh no! There's our capture camera. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. Let's see if we can get a shot of that.
Fuck, this is hot, but it's still recording.
There's our capture camera. And it looks like my little bracket's fine, but
Dude, it's still recording.
My little tripod.
That's great.
It's the camera inception. Yeah, my little tripod's fucked up. Look at that.
Yeah.
But we knew, you know. These are like $8 on Amazon. So
Dude, all we need is a hammer.
No, I don't think so. So here's where our impact was. I mean, we always clean up after ourselves, but it just blew it I don't even see all the pieces. Whoa, a hawk.
The hawk is circling the computer now.
Yeah, I mean, there's a piece there, and there's a piece over here, and there's the pieces we've been picking up, but there's not much left. Yeah, there's not much left. So there you go, guys. Hope we didn't disappoint. That's another Tannerite Tuesday in the books.
Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. That was awesome.
We enjoyed it immensely.
Yep.
We had a great time. So we'll see you guys on the next episode of Desert Derpers.
Later.
Peace.
Hey guys, I'm Randy from Desert Derpers. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got plenty more that are just as awesome, like this one right here. Check it out. That's nice and smooth. Alright, check it out guys. I'll see you later.